Welcome to my channel. Today I will cook a traditional Bengali recipe called doi ilish or curd or yogurt hilsa. This is a side dish that is served in the main course of meals along with hot steamed rice or other kinds of rice like jeera rice, fried rice, pulao, etc. It can be cooked during special occasions and festivals. It can also be served to guests. Is generally eaten during monsoon, the time of Hilsa. Please watch till the end as I share many explanations, tips or recommendations and alternatives. If you are new to my channel, then please subscribe and click the bell icon so that you don't miss any of my recipe uploads. Heat mustard oil 3 tablespoons in a frying pan till it fumes. Otherwise, the curry will smell of raw mustard oil. In the meantime, I have Hilsa 8 pieces. Add turmeric powder half teaspoon and salt half teaspoon. Coat the fish on both sides with turmeric powder and salt. Place the fish one at a time in hot oil. Make sure the fish does not touch each other as they can get stuck. Do not flip too soon. Wait for 2 to 3 minutes before flipping. The fish may stick to the pan and may break while flipping. Shallow fry on both sides till light brown. We can also add the fish to the curry without frying. Take off the pan and keep aside. In the same way, fry the remaining fish. Heat mustard oil 13 tablespoons in a kadai. Add Bayleaf 1, dry red chilli 2 split into 2, 5 foron half teaspoon and cumin 1 teaspoon. Saute in low heat till golden brown. Add chopped onion 1½ cup instead of chopped onion paste 3/4 cup can also be used. Saute in medium to high heat for 7 minutes. Add ginger paste 2 tablespoons. Saute in medium to high heat for 4 minutes. Add turmeric powder 1 teaspoon, Kashmiri red chilli powder 1½ teaspoon or red chilli powder 1 teaspoon, cumin powder half tablespoon and coriander powder half tablespoon. Saute for 1 minute. Add unsweetened curd or yogurt 3/4 cup for a tangy sour taste. Otherwise, use ½ cup or less than that. We can also use sweet curd. Saute for 2 minutes in medium to high heat. Add water 2 cups, salt 1 teaspoon and sugar 1 teaspoon. Mix well. Cover with a lid and cook in high heat for 8 minutes to cook the masalas. After 8 minutes, open the lid. Stir for 1 minute. Place the fried fish one at a time in the curry. Cover the pan with the lid. Shake the kadai to mix all ingredients well. Cook in high heat for 10 minutes. Shake the kadai in between so that nothing sticks to the bottom of the kadai and get burned. After 10 minutes, open the lid. This is how the curry looks. Switch off the gas. Hilsa should not be overcooked. It's a very soft fish. Add green chilli, 4, split in the middle. Shake again to mix all ingredients. This is how the curry looks now. It looks delicious. Taste it. Add whatever is required as per taste. My curry is perfect. I will serve it hot with hot steamed rice. It serves about 4 people. Please make it at home. Please like, subscribe, share and comment below. You can follow me on social media with my channel name. I will be back with a new tasty recipe. Till then, stay healthy, eat healthy and enjoy life. Bye.